Hello people, today we will look about how to fix memory pining, unable to load DLL iastorafs service api.dll. So hello guys, my name is Pooja and you are watching Gossipfunda. Step 1. First, refresh the current driver package installed by repairing the Intel Optane memory pining extensions. First, open Programs and Features. For this, press Windows key plus R. Then type appwiz.cpl and click OK. After this, locate the highlight Intel Optane Pining Explorer extensions. Then click Repair. Now, step 2. Remove the old pining package so that the error does not reappear after the next OS update. First, open the device manager. For this, press Windows key plus X. Then, expand the Software Components field. Right-click the Intel Pining Shell Extensions field and select Uninstall Device. Check the box that states Delete the driver software for this device. And then click on Uninstall. That's it guys. There's a link of our website in the description box. Do check this out. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this with your loved ones. And subscribe Gossipfunda.